Hello, my name is Basavaraj. I am currently pursuing my final year engineering degree in computer science at Saram Vishwesvaraya College of Engineering. I have spent last few months as an intern at 3QI2603, focusing on a network security and infrastructure. I have prepared this presentation to show you how we can use the routers and switches to create a secure automated business network.
Hi Aaron, my project is on 10 router networks with a distributed service. Before starting the project, I planned everything using the Scrum method. I used Asana to manage my tasks. I divided my task into five phases. In phase 1, project initialization proposal. These are the working days. In phase 2, project planning. In phase 3, project execution and implementation. Monitoring and controlling in phase 4. In phase 5, project closing. These are the working days of each phase. Designing an Interact Service Provider (ISP) network using a Cisco packet tracer. An ISP is a network that acts as a bridge connecting various local networks to a private Interact across. Think of it as a backbone that allows different locations to talk to each other. Modern organizations need to be connected 24 into 7 across the different departments. Without an ISP structure, separate local networks are isolated. They can't see or talk to each other. A proper design prevents the network from getting slow or congested as it grows. To build a router system that handles traffic efficiently using a dynamic routing. Core routers, the brain is or a backbone of the ISP. Branch router connects the local offices. Switch and pieces, the actual hardware user interact with. Network planning. Harish, the design uses a core that edge approach. The core ISP router from a central international cloud where data travel between the branches. Each branch has its own unique address to keep traffic organized. When you send a file, it follows a specific path like start with your PC, move through the local switches, goes to your branch routers, four ISP routers, deliver to the destination router, and finally that targeted PC. The brain EIGRP. What is EIGRP? It's a routing protocol that tell you the data which way to go. It's a very fast at finding a new person. If a connection fails and to prevent data from getting stuck at loops, setting it up involves a five-step processing, building the code, connecting the edges, addressing, enabling the protocol, and testing. Challenges and finances. Managing a large 10 routers setup, making sure routers recognize each other's IPs, address mistakes. The project works all routers can communicate and data packets are being forwarded efficiently from end to end. This is the final working diagram of the project where I have arranged all the things. I will show you the quick way to arrange this. You want to go to the routers, just take and drag it here and take the switches, take and drag it this and pieces, same. We can connect all this network where I have showing you. Connect like this and should have an IP to each of them. Here you can add IP to the pieces to here, and you need to add four IP for switches and routers. I have arranged all this. First, I will show you the First, I will show you an example of core serial interface configuration. You just need to go through the routers, go to the there, enable, configure, take, interface, serial. You need to go and look for the serial. Okay. Zero slash zero slash zero. Enter. G configure kernel VLAN 100 name VLAN VLAN 200 name VLAN 100 VLAN 100 name VLAN 1 or VLAN 200 name VLAN 2 or VLAN 300 name VLAN 3. And I will show you the turn to edge routers. To do turn interface, which is 0/1, split port, access, split port mode, trunk. By this we can add VLAN to the this. Then and I will show using the router on a stick method. Edges router were configured with the sub interface. That the critical relay logic was an applied to a direct local to localized service modes on the switch. Using the router on a stick method, the edge router were configured with the sub interface. The critical relay logic was an applied to a direct local request to the localized service nodes on the IP. One example for edge router sub interface and IP helper setup. I will show you. Interface, exit, and you need to connect the AGP configuration also. To do this, I will show you the config. Enable configure T router EIGRP 100 network network and 2.168.2.0 and do to some we need to do all these steps to the all the routers and switches. If that is completed, your project is almost complete. Now I will show you the working of this project. Just go into this from here to this. Successful. You can see here it is sending a message and receiving from there. I am sending again to double check it. It is successful. Thank you.